Right from
3
the sea.
o'clock morning.
66
highway.
meter.
Yes.
Istanbul.
But not
going
on our
air.
way because we got different
Look
route.
at this highway, very
It's
wide,
between Asia and
clean
Europe.
and clear. No traffic at night. This is not night technically. Morning. This is morning time. 3 o'clock.
Evde misafir var.
It could be 3,
Bir baktım
15,
saat
20 like this.
namaz
Because
kılıyor.
going to airport.
O arada
See,
bir
in
çay
front
içtim.
of me one car was running towards somewhere. This is beautiful. Beautiful. I like Turkey, especially Istanbul, because I personally visited Turkey. Istanbul.
Going to airport. Istanbul airport.
Europe. Turkey has two parts. One Europe and other part Eastern. We are visiting to European side of Turkey. Very different.